To see how many times a Mac laptop battery has been cycled through, go up to the Apple menu and select About This Mac, then click on More Info, then you scroll down the screen and click on System Report, and over on the left-hand menu, select Power. It is about 2/3 of the way down, and then look at cycle count. On mine, it's gone 69, not 67 times. And then you can go up to the battery menu, and I suggest that you set your charge capacity to 80%. It is under battery settings. Then click on, you check the last stage report, and then go up to battery health. When you click on that, it'll open this menu and leave it at optimized battery charging. That will keep it up only at 80% when you have it plugged in. That's better for the battery to keep it in that range